What's good, YouTube? This your boy KO Money 954. Yes, sir. So today I'm doing a review for y'all, man. A review of my first pistol, man. Yes, got it back in November 2021. So this is like a little 6-7 month review update. Let y'all know how it's looking. If I like it, should I get something else? You know, yada, the usual. But before we get into that, this channel just ain't gonna be strictly on guns, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to bring out some car content, some game content, some music content. I do music, I'm not an engineer, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I rap, I write. So I'm gonna do some music, show y'all the studio setups and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? If you need help, that's it. I'm just here to help. All right, let's get into what y'all came here for, right? The review. So boom, here she is. Glock 19, Gen 5.
Oh my God! What's gonna come?
Yes, sir. She bone stock. No upgrades, no trigger, nothing like that. Bone stock. Cause I wanted to get used to it at first before I started doing a whole bunch of upgrades. See clear. That's why I'm making this video, because I'm like, I'm going to make a video before I start doing the little upgrades and stuff like that, and then do a little update video with the upgrades. But yeah, bone stock. Only thing, I got the large back strap on there. My hands, they're kind of long, my fingers, so I need something to really wrap around and not feel like I'm holding a broomstick or something, almost. But yeah, trigger, it's clear. Trigger. It take a while, but once you get to shooting it, it's not that hard. But I'm liking it. The Glock is it's like a look of it. It's not too flamboyant or out there or futuristic. You know what I'm saying? I have these crazy features that some other guns got, but it's simple enough, but still have enough style to look decent, you know what I'm saying? It's not heavy on the eye. But that's why I like the Glock. I'm turning into a little Glock boy. Ain't gonna lie. I'm starting to like these Glockies. There's so much you can do with them, as far as like customizing them, swapping triggers, barrels, just all kind of stuff you can do with it. So that's why I went with Glock for my first gun, just to see how it is. Then after this one, I was like, man, I want me another one. Like, before I got this, I was looking at the Glock 17. Like, I was big on the 17. I wanted the 17 so bad, I don't know why. But went to my local gun store and held the Gen 4 R19. I had the fan grooves and everything. I was like, damn, this feels real good. But, you know what I'm saying, being me, I want the latest and greatest, you know what I'm saying? So I had to go Gen 5, you know what I'm saying, no fan grooves. It's not a big deal, because I can still get my hand on the gun, as you can see. No problem. Pinky on there, no problem. But I'm loving the feel of it. Like, I can fit it in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? It might stick out a little bit, depending on what kind of pants I'm wearing, but I can fit it in my pocket. I can conceal it. I don't have a holster for it yet. I'm waiting to get my concealed carry license. I might as well just go ahead and get out the waistband holster. But I don't want to do that because I don't get too many crazy looks. You know what I'm saying? Black guy with a gun, you know how it is. But yeah, overall, I'm loving the gun. The things I don't like, y'all already know. Sights, trigger, mainly Glock knuckle. I don't have a problem with the grip angle. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a problem with that. But mainly the trigger, the sights. The sights are plastic, as you can see. I got a gash in one of them. Beat these sights up. I do use my gun. I go to the range. Try to let off some shots, let off some frustration, you know? Yeah.
The thing goes and the boom.
What I don't like, the finish. I thought the finish on the slide was gonna hold up better, and the finish on the slide lock, that chunk is wearing out too quick. Only had this gun for 6 months, y'all. 6 months. I done seen Gen 4s and 3s, and they slide locks, not even wearing out like that. This one too, it's also kind of wearing out. But other than that, like the finish is holding up. Other than that, the finish is holding up. So I ain't gonna say like the finish is bad on it. You know what I'm saying? Trigger, of course, the trigger. I want a flat face trigger. I don't like the angle of the Glock trigger. It's not a bad trigger, but I mean, once you get used to shooting it, you should get used to it. But I just want a flat face trigger. I don't know why. I think it'll feel better for my finger and what I want to do, because I want a straight, continuous pull instead of having my finger at an angle like that. Set my finger down. I want that continuous pull like that instead of having my finger angled down like that. That's all I want. So I think a flat face will help me with that. Get better trigger discipline, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, like I said, I'm loving the gun. I slick want to go get 26 and 17 now, just cause, like I told you, I done turned into a Glock fanboy now. I'm loving the Glockies, man, the Glockies. It's the O-Light, got the laser light combo. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see it a little bit. You got regular light. Not too special. Nope. Now if you think about getting one, I say go for it. Cause I mean, there's nothing wrong. If you're looking for something reliable, then you can go Glock. But majority of a lot of guns are reliable. You just gotta find the right one that you're comfortable with, that you're comfortable holding, that you're comfortable shooting, that you're comfortable carrying. That's the number one thing. You wanna be comfortable with shooting, you wanna be comfortable with carry, all that. So just make sure you find something that you're able to shoot, you're able to carry. Yeah, man, I have no problems with this gun. Like I said, I want me another one, man. Let's break it down for y'all. So here you got the frame. See that? Frame's pretty clean. I just came from the range shooting. I haven't even cleaned this gun since I got it. I need to though. It's the guide rod. You can see no rust, nothing like that. And that's a barrel. There's a good amount of wear on the barrel. I ain't gonna lie, when I first got it, I was dry firing like a mug. Like, that's another thing too. Dry firing will help you with your grip and your aim. Dry firing. So I recommend dry firing. But there's a lot of wear on this barrel for it to only be 6 months. Like I said, I only had the gun since November last year. side, rifle barrel, boom. Let's do slide. So boom. That's how I look. Do come with 3 mags. You will lock 3 mags. I got 3 mags here. This one, the hollow points, self-defense ammo. Got my range ammo in here, kind of just came from the range. Then I'm doing with the orange follow. I got these 2 Amen mags, 34 round. 34 rounds. They run, man. Like, I ran them today and had no problems with them. Like, they fed. So, let y'all take a look. See what that look like. Show y'all again. Simple. That's what the standard mag. Then got that man. And 2 mag. See how that look. Stick on that bit. Stick on that bit. But yeah, man. These mags work good. So I know a couple people done said they ain't like them, but they working for me so far. So my reasoning behind getting my first gun was basically I got robbed, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Nah, I ain't got robbed, but I work long hours, you know what I'm saying, 12, sometimes 14 hours a day. So I come home one day, work a long shift, come in, look around, something just ain't feel right. It's like something just felt off. Sure enough, go in the room, other rooms, apartment ramshack, you know what I'm saying? Ran through. Took jewelry, clothes, a game, computer, all my studio equipment, and we just like, damn, who? You know what I'm saying? Cause like, honestly, I don't talk to nobody in this complex. You know what I'm saying? No females, no niggas, no nothing. Like I don't talk to nobody. I come home when I come home from work. I come in the house. I don't go outside. I don't chill, try to peek, see nothing like that. So. Whoever did it, they was watching me. They was watching me. So that's another thing. That's another thing why I got it, because people watching, man. People are watching. Even when you think people ain't watching, just like me, like I said, I don't talk to nobody in this complex where I stay at. And somebody still running up my crib. So that go to show you that you ain't gotta be friendly for somebody to run up in your spot or something like that. Somebody just be watching. Just know you got something, you know what I'm saying? So that was the reason for me getting my gun, because I wanted to protect myself at all times, you know what I'm saying? Whether I'm home or I'm in the streets, because people get the feeling themselves. I ain't gonna lie, people get the feeling themselves. So I just want to protect my life, you know what I'm saying? Because I'd rather be judged by 12 than care by 6 at the end of the day. So I ain't want to come home in a situation and somebody's in my crib and I'm still here. And they might have something. So I just want to protect myself, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the materialistic stuff, that stuff, it come and go, you know what I'm saying? I can get it back. But yeah, man, even if you don't like guns, just get something non-lethal, something to protect yourself, some mace, a taser, something to protect yourself, especially women. Because I got 3 sisters on my mama's side, and I got 3 on my daddy's side. So, like, especially women, please protect yourself. Because women getting snatched up left and right, kids getting snatched up. So just be mindful of your surroundings and stuff like that. But that's the reason for me getting my gun. Like, no other reason. No, I ain't wanna be Billy Badass because I got a gun now and this, that, and third. No, I got it for protection, and that's what your gun should be used for, only protection. All right, if you like the review, You already know what to do, man. Hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? If you want to drop your 2 cents in, tell me what I should have did, what I should have bought, I should have got here, da da da. You know how to go. You know what I'm saying? Drop that down in the comment section. If you think, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna have some fire content coming. You know what I'm saying? You wanna see what I got going on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Just trust me. Try to bring you plenty of content to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm bored, man. So I try to use my creative genius in plenty of ways, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. This your boy, KO Money. I'm gone.
Too ready in this cop, and I'm headed to your block just to show you what I'm about. Leave your ribs poking out. Gave his ass one shots, but he ain't wanna hit me out. Goons all at his spot, ready to make a bitch drop. Since a G, he bout that action. 45 a turn faggot. On his nuts, y'all nigga bragging. Y'all gon' have them crackers bagging. After I beat the dragon, fuck these niggas, no madden. Y'all just do this my passion. When I do it, I ain't laughing. Little finger when I pass and talk, stick that thing you blast.